Hi, Assalamualaikum. I am Ili Tihani binti Puan from 2 PPS MP Science 2. So, in this video, I'm going to share with you guys how to create plug-in activities using Scratch. So, I want to show how to create float and sing game. So, let's check it out. There are 5 elements of computation thinking that involve while creating the game. So the first one is decomposition. Decomposition is breaking down complex problem into smaller. The scratch itself is something that decomposes. So when I want to create a game, I have to think about what the sprite should be in, how to move the sprite, how to do the coding, and so on. So that is the composition. The second one is pattern recognition. Pattern recognition is simply looking for patterns in the problem and determining could any of the solutions we have considered in the past can be applied again. What have we learned in the past that may help us sort out this problem? While I'm doing the scratch, I recognize the coding for object that sink in water, which is the key. So I just simply use the same coding for glasses, which also the object that sink in water. The third one is abstraction. Abstraction is identifying the details that are relevant to solve the problem and ignoring the details that are not relevant to the issue. So, while creating the game, abstraction is when I do the coding. I ignore the coding that is not involved in my project and focus on coding that must be included in the game. Next is algorithm. Algorithm design is setting out the steps and rules needed to follow in order to achieve the same desired outcome every time. While creating the game, the algorithm element is when I think of the step that should be followed to make the object fall into the water. For example, first, I have to set the height of the object, then set the object to falling down by -5. And lastly, the object should stop on the surface of the water for an float object. Next is evaluation. Evaluation is evaluate the choices and decisions that have been made. So in this project, evaluation is when I know that the key should be at the bottom of the water, but the key is in the middle of the water. So I have to change the y-axis until I get the right position for the key. So that's all. Thank you.